Hey, hola. So some of you had told me that the electronic book, is giving you some trouble, and I have been telling you, well, I guess it's because so many people are in the book at the same time or whatever. But then I call and I try to talk with somebody and see how we could fix this situation. So I am going to give you some instructions to see if the video works better. So when you go to this page, when you have to sign in, you're gonna have your sign in. You are gonna click on this. I don't know this point in here, but it says Pearson Easy Bridge Plus and Auto. So you click there, and you are going to select. When you go there, you have to select your Union Call Public Schools, and then click go, and that should take you to where we are. Hopefully this works. Please try it and let me know if that worked. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you that, and hopefully it works. I'll see you around. No, you see me around. I'll see you. Bye.